Set the
I've worn this wig before. I've put a band inside of it. It comes with 3 combs. Actually 4, sorry, 4 combs. So one at the back here, one up here at the front, and then 2 at the sides. Where's the other one? Okay, there, 2 at the sides. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna be going in with attaching this. Now I've already cleaned the perimeter of my my head already. I've used some rubbing alcohol to do that. Now these are starter locks, and I'll just twist them back and just kind of twist it in the back and tuck it underneath. I'm not going to be applying any wig cap because that's my preference. I don't want any wig cap. I'm just going to apply the wig straight to my head. So yeah. So this is an old wig, guys. This is an old wig, and so because it's an old wig, I didn't pluck the hairline or anything. I used to wear it literally like this, and as you can see, I've already done a little baby ears from like long time ago. So what I'm gonna do, take my spray and create a little bit of swoops. So this is the wig. I finally installed it. I didn't style the hair at all. I just left it messy, just brush it with the brush. I didn't apply any product or anything like that. I did use a little bit of mousse with the edges at the front. They're still a little bit scanty, but it is what it is. So yeah guys, this is how I apply my wigs. I always apply this way. I don't use the actual glue itself where it sticks down for a long time. I just use the got to be spray or the got to be gel, and that's about it, because normally I just keep my hair on for like 3 days and then I take it off and you know, wash them, start again. So yeah guys, I do like this installation process. I do enjoy wearing wigs. I do like to change it up a little bit. Yeah, so if you do like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment, and guys, if you haven't subscribed by now, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. You can also click the little bell on the side just so you get notification and indication of when I do post. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and guys, I will definitely see you in my next video, God willing.